Did you know Rottweilers come in different kinds, each with its own special features? In this video, we're going to look at the various types of Rottweilers and help you figure out which one might be the perfect match for you and how you live. Whether you're thinking about getting a Rottweiler or just want to learn more about these awesome dogs, come with us as we explore the world of Rottweilers and see which type is the best. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog related. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let me share a quick disclaimer. Every dog is unique, and the things we're going to talk about in this video are generalizations based on common traits observed in every type of Rottweiler. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. German Rottweilers. German Rottweilers, often referred to as ADRK Rottweilers, are held in high regard for their impressive appearance, robust health, and stable temperament. These dogs trace their roots back to Germany, where the Rottweiler breed is deeply ingrained in the culture. The Allgemeiner Deutsche Rottweiler Club, ADRK, oversees the breeding and preservation of the Rottweiler standard in Germany. This club is dedicated to maintaining the breed's integrity by adhering to strict breeding standards and conducting comprehensive health and temperament assessments. One of the distinguishing features of German Rottweilers is their impeccable breeding lineage. The ADRK places a strong emphasis on selecting breeding stock based on adherence to the breed standard, sound health, and stable temperament. Only Rottweilers that meet these stringent criteria are approved for breeding, ensuring that the offspring maintain the breed's desirable characteristics. As a result, the German Rottweilers often exhibit traits such as thick bones, muscular bodies, and blocky heads, reflecting the breed's robust and powerful heritage. Furthermore, German Rottweilers undergo rigorous health and temperament testing before they're deemed suitable for breeding. These assessments evaluate various aspects, including hip and elbow health, temperament, and working ability. By prioritizing health and temperament in their breeding programs, the ADRK aims to produce Rottweilers that excel not only in appearance, but also in character and working capability. This commitment to holistic breeding practices has contributed to the reputation of German Rottweilers as outstanding companions and working dogs. In addition to their physical attributes, German Rottweilers are renowned for their loyal, affectionate, and family-oriented nature. They're known to form strong bonds with their human companions and are often described as devoted and protective. Despite their imposing stature, German Rottweilers are typically gentle and patient with children, reflecting their inherent desire to be close to their family members. With proper socialization and training, German Rottweilers thrive in various roles, including family pets, therapy dogs, and working partners. 2. American Rottweilers. So you've got yourself an American Rottweiler, huh? Well, hold on to your hat, because there's more to these pups than meets the eye. You might have heard some chatter about American Rottweilers being a bit different from their European counterparts. Some people say they're taller, leggier, and might not have that classic Rottie head shape. But here's the scoop. An American Rottweiler is simply a Rottweiler born in the USA. Now let's dig into why there's sometimes a difference in appearance. It all comes down to breeding practices. Some breeders are more interested in making a quick buck than sticking to the breed standard. They'll mate any large black and tan dog they can find, even if it doesn't quite match the Rottweiler blueprint. As a result, you might end up with a Rottweiler that looks more like a distant cousin than the majestic pooch you saw in your dog breed book. But don't worry. Despite the differences, American Rottweilers still share the same loyal and affectionate nature that makes the breed so beloved. These dogs are known for their intelligence, courage, and unwavering loyalty to their families. Whether they're serving as faithful companions, reliable guardians, or even participating in various dog sports, American Rottweilers bring a unique charm and personality to every interaction. So, whether you're exploring the great outdoors together or simply enjoying some quality cuddle time on the couch, your American Rottweiler is sure to fill your life with joy and companionship. And here's the good news. There are plenty of ethical breeders in the US who are committed to producing top-notch Rottweilers. These people follow strict codes of ethics and go the extra mile to breed dogs that not only excel in the show ring, but also embody the true spirit of the Rottweiler breed. So if you've got yourself an American Rottweiler, rest assured that there's a proud lineage behind that wagging tail. 3. Roman Rottweilers. Roman Rottweilers, despite their intriguing name, are nothing more than a marketing trick used by unethical breeders seeking to capitalize on the Rottweiler's rich history. The concept of a Roman Rottweiler implies a connection to ancient Rome, suggesting that these dogs possess unique traits or qualities derived from their supposed Roman heritage. However, this notion is entirely fabricated and has no basis in reality. In truth, there is no such breed as a Roman Rottweiler. Rottweilers originated in Germany, where they were originally bred to drive cattle and pull carts for Roman armies during their conquests. While the breed has a storied history dating back to ancient times, there is no evidence to suggest a distinct lineage of Rottweilers specifically bred in Rome. Claims of Roman Rottweilers are often used as a marketing gimmick to lure unsuspecting buyers into purchasing dogs that may not meet the breed standard or possess the desired temperament. Furthermore, breeders promoting Roman Rottweilers make exaggerated claims about the dog's size and strength, suggesting that they're larger and more robust than standard Rottweilers. However, these assertions are often baseless and may lead to the breeding of dogs with structural or health issues. Ethical breeders prioritize breeding Rottweilers that conform to the established breed standard, emphasizing traits such as proper conformation, temperament, and working ability. If you're a prospective Rottweiler owner, you should exercise caution when encountering claims of Roman Rottweilers or other similarly named variations. Responsible breeders focus on preserving the integrity of the breed and producing healthy, well-rounded dogs that embody the Rottweiler's distinguished characteristics. By avoiding breeders who engage in misleading marketing tactics, you can ensure that you acquire a Rottweiler that is true to the breed's heritage and standards. 4. Tailed Rottweilers. Seeing a Rottweiler with a tail might make you do a double take, especially if you're used to seeing them with docked tails. However, it's worth knowing that Rottweilers are naturally born with tails, and the decision to dock them is often influenced by cultural traditions or regional practices. In countries like Germany, where the breed originated, tail docking has been banned since 1999, leading to an increase in the number of Rottweilers seen with their natural tails intact. If you're considering whether to leave your Rottweiler's tail undocked, it's essential to understand both the historical context and the practical implications. While some believe that docking prevents tail injuries or adheres to breed standards, others argue that it's unnecessary and may even be detrimental to the dog's well-being. With growing awareness of animal welfare and changing attitudes towards cosmetic alterations, many owners are choosing to embrace the natural appearance of their Rottweilers, tail and all. Functionally, a Rottweiler's tail serves various purposes, including communication, balance, and expression. Leaving the tail intact allows the dog to express itself naturally and engage in typical canine behaviors without restriction. As more owners recognize the beauty and functionality of tailed Rottweilers, the sight of these dogs with their full tails may become more commonplace, reflecting a broader shift towards respecting and preserving their natural anatomy. 5. Rare Rottweilers. If you come across breeders advertising rare Rottweilers, be careful. Often these so-called rare Rottweilers are far from the breed standard and may even be mixed with other breeds to achieve unusual colors or sizes. Red Rottweilers, for example, don't exist according to the breed standard, which specifies that Rottweilers must have a black coat with rich tan markings. Similarly, blue or albino Rottweilers are also non-existent in the breed, and are likely the result of unethical breeding practices. Another so-called rarity is the long-haired Rottweiler, which, while visually striking, is considered a disqualification according to the American Kennel Club standards. Ethical breeders should not charge a premium for long-haired Rottweilers, as they do not conform to the breed standard and cannot be shown in competitions. While it's possible for long-haired puppies to occasionally appear in a litter of standard Rottweilers, responsible breeders should price them accordingly and not mislead buyers with false claims of rarity. To ensure you're getting a true representation of the Rottweiler breed, it's essential to seek out reputable breeders who adhere to the established standards set by organizations like the ADRK. These code of ethics breeders prioritize producing Rottweilers that meet the breed standard in terms of appearance, temperament, and health. By choosing a Rottweiler from a responsible breeder, you can have confidence that your dog will embody the true essence of the breed, whether it's from Germany or elsewhere. As we finish our video about the different kinds of Rottweilers, it's key to choose breeders who really care about keeping the breed true if you're set on getting a purebred Rottweiler. This way you'll get a dog that truly shows what Rottweilers are all about. But remember, no matter what type of Rottweiler you pick, any one of them can be a great friend if you give them love, care, and the right training. No matter if you like German Rottweilers, American Rottweilers, or another kind, each one has its own special traits and qualities. The best Rottweiler for you is the one that fits well with how you live and what your family needs. If you choose a dog from someone who breeds them responsibly and you take good care of your Rottweiler, you'll get to experience the loyalty, friendship, and love that Rottweilers are famous for, no matter their type. And that ends our video for today. We've covered so much about Rottweilers, but we'd love to hear if you have any additional insights to share in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more positively awesome content. Once again, this has been Doggy Pedia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.